Greetings, Darlene here. Thanks for coming. I like when you watch my videos. I like making them. They've been a little sparse the last few weeks. I'm going to show you what's going on out in my jungle of a garden that my hubby's been, quote, taking care of, unquote. Looks like a jungle. It really does. But that's the way it goes when you can't do your own gardening. Anyway, let's jump right into it. Let me show you what we've got. Today we're looking at my tower. Look at that sage plant, isn't that pretty? Cucumber plants have blossoms on them. Hubby's the one that's been taking care of this, so it looks a little straggly. Oh look, so this, I cut these off and they regrew. I have quite a few blooms on my cucumbers. I hope they give me cucumbers. That is the red one that I was asking you about the other night. I don't remember what that is, but they're pretty. After we videoed, we did get that rose bush trimmed back. It'd go back now. When you go back, yeah. Okay, I guess it's doing okay. Let's see if this regrew. So I think you need to spray those again. We're going to have more strawberries. Look at the blooms. Well, that's kind of puny. Go underneath too. The roses need to be deadheaded. So I don't remember what we planted down at the bottom, but there's nothing in there. Overall, it looks pretty good for me not being able to be out there and do anything with it. Hubby's doing okay. The bubblegum petunias have lived up to their reputation. That is only 2 plants, 2. My herbs are doing well. Just filling up that space that we didn't know what it was, but we figured out it was butterfly weed. It's in bloom, and it looks like I have a squash there. I'll talk about it more in a minute, but the butterfly weed, the Monarda, is blooming, and the tomatoes are grown tall, and it's like a jungle. Like a jungle out there. The catmints are in bloom too. Yep. Hubby says there's lots of the little pear tomatoes, not quite ripe yet, but look, I think I have a squash plant. I didn't plant it. It's a volunteer of some kind, so it remains to be seen what it is. But I'm glad it's there. And oh, that bubblegum petunia is so pretty. Wow, pretty. Meanwhile, inside the house, I'm only going to focus on showing you 2 plants. My begonia, which goes back and forth from looking really awful to looking fairly decent. Right now it's fairly decent, so I'll show it to you. And then my African violet, which is looking good. It hasn't rebloomed, but the leaves are looking really pretty, and I'm keeping it alive at any rate. Here's my begonia plant. It's looking good right at the moment. Odd little plant. It tries to die and then it comes back to life over and over again. And I'm having a hard time getting the picture I want here of my African violet, but here she is, looking healthy. So that's my video for you today. I hope your days and your weeks and your months are going well. Everything's okay here. I can't believe we're in August already. Where did summer go? Yep, where did summer go? Away, away, it went away. All right. Well, I'm praying that God's love and blessings fully surround you, and that you are safe and happy and all is going well. I will see you on my next video.